Hi there, welcome to the newer section of Power Query in Power BI Desktop. In this section, we are going to discuss how to merge and append queries in Power Query. So, what does merge queries option do? Merge queries option joins two tables based on one or more related or common column between them. Let's see with an example. In address sheet, customer ID, country, city, and state name is there. In customer sheet, customer ID, customer name, age, and segment column is there. We want to bring this name column from customer sheet to this address sheet over here. We can do it easily in Excel using VLOOKUP function. Let's see how to do it in Power Query. We are in Power Query editor page. Let's import those two sheets. For that, go to Home tab, then New Source, then Excel Workbook, then select the file, then select the two sheets that we want to merge, then click OK. This is the address table. The columns are column 1, column 2. Okay, it should be customer ID, country. Let's fix it. Go to Home tab, then Transform, then use first row as header. So in the address table, the columns are customer ID, country, city, and state. And in customer table, the columns are customer ID, name, age, and segment. And we want to bring this customer name column from customer table to this address table. For that, go to Home tab, then Combine, then Merge Queries. Here we get two options, Merge Queries and Merge Queries as New. Merge Query option will add new columns to the existing selected table. Here it is address table. So the new column will be added to the address table. And in the Merge Queries as New, a new table will be created. Let's select Merge Queries as New option. A dialog box will appear, Merge. Select tables and matching columns to create a merge table. The first one is the address table that we have selected. Then here we have to select which table we want to merge with the address table. We want to merge the customer table. Merge queries merge two tables based on one or more common or related column between them. So let's select the common column in both the tables based on which we want to merge the table. Here it's the customer ID. Select customer ID from address table, then customer ID from customer table. Here we can select more than one matching columns. Just hold the control key and select the columns like this. But here we have only one matching column. So let's unselect this one. Then we have to select the join kind. Here we get 6 different kinds of join options. Let's discuss about these join types with Venn diagram. Left outer. It returns all the records from the first table and only matching records from the second table. Right outer. It returns all the records from the second table and only matching records from the first one. Full outer. It returns all the records from both the table. Inner. It returns only matching records from both the table. Left empty. It returns all the records from the left table that don't have any matching records from the right table. Right empty. It returns all the rows from the right table that don't have any matching rows from the left one. So we can choose different types of join based on the output that we want. Here I am going to select this left outer. Then we get this use fuzzy matching to perform the merge option. In fuzzy matching, we can do approximate match and we can also set up the approximate match criteria. For that, just select over here Then we can set up the criteria here. Here we are going to do exact match. So let's unselect this one. Then click OK. Here we got the new table, merge one. And here we got all the columns from the first table. And here is the second table, that is customer. If we'll click on this small icon over here, we will get all the column names present in the second table. From here, we can select the column we want to bring. We can bring as many columns as we want. Here we want the customer name. Select name, then click OK. And here is the customer name column. Using merge queries option in Power Query, we can merge tables from single Excel or CSV file. We can merge tables from different files and different data sources. Now let's discuss about append query. So what does append query option do? Append query select records from one or more data sources or tables and copies the selected records in an existing table or a new table. Let's see with an example. In address table, we have customer ID, name, country, city and state column. And in customer table, we have customer ID, name, age and segment column. We want to append the customer table in address table. Means we want to bring all this data from customer table to this address table. Let's copy the data from customer table, then paste it over here in address table. Here we want to bring new column over here like this. And we don't want this two rows. And all these blank cells will contain the null values. Let's do it in Power Query. To append tables, go to Home tab, then Combine, then Append Queries. Here we will get two options, Append Queries and Append Queries as New. Append Queries will add new rows to the existing selected table. Here the selected table is address. And in Append Queries as New option, a new table will be created with all the records from both the table. Let's select this Append Queries as New option. A dialog box will appear. Append. Concatenate rows from two tables into a single table. Here we will get two options. One is two tables and second one is three or more tables. Here we are appending two tables. So let's select this two table option. Then select the first table. Here the first table is address table. The first table's record will appear first in the new table. Then let's select the second table, that is customer table. Then click OK. Here we got our new table, append 1, and all the records from both the table, address table and customer table. Blank cells contains null values. Using append queries option in Power Query, we can append tables containing same or different number of columns. We can append tables from a single Excel or CSV file, and we can append tables from different files and different data sources. That's all for this video. Thank you.